This is Laura and I trying to catch a little bit of cool shade. Very hot outside.
10 degrees hotter than hell.
10 degrees hotter than hell. I don't know why she's keeping her mask up considering we're by ourselves right now. The whole reason we stopped here is so you can get that stuff off. But, again, still at the boat show. Looked at most every boat we want to. Thinking a $10.95 is still the best choice.
There is not much storage in here, but it does have seating. It has okay, again, it has a head, but not a shower. So, I'm not sure what's in here. There's the shower and a beautiful, beautiful wand. So, you would definitely have to use the seat to shower, as there is not much headroom. And I cannot stand up straight in this area.
Get closer and say, hey, we'd like to take a ride in. No problem. No obligation.
Thank you.
Is there?
To be honest with you, I like that layout over here better. I even like the full layout over here better. Because that.
Did you find the shower in there?
Huh?
There's a shower in there.
Yeah, in the toilet.
You found it? Definitely plenty of walk around.
But I like that layout. Put the kitchen module in it.
Right.
Honestly, Laura, if you put a dimity on it.
I don't want carnival food.
You don't want carnival food.
Just pretty much what they're...
I just want to see how stable this video is. Well, you might want to say this is us leaving the boat show. We're going to turn around and walk around here like this right here. Now, this is the end of the boat show, West Palm Beach boat show. Very hot. 85 degrees.
Very hot.
Blue jeans and a mask.
Bunch of idiots.
And we can't use that part, I suppose.
What, the bunch of idiots?
The bunch of idiots part.
I don't know, I think we can use it.
Think you can use it? No.